Welcome back to YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, X, Facebook, whatever you're watching this on, okay? So, we've had a very busy summer, so it's been a little while since I've had time to release a video. Got some exciting news, something that we got to tour in May. We got the tour of the P1 factory in Rogersville, Missouri, okay? Point One Manufacturing. Point One Manufacturing is a very well-known name in the gas world, yes, okay? They make billet blocks for some 10,000 horsepower heavy or top fuel dragsters. They also make studs for pretty much any gas engine out there. That being said, they reached out to me about partnering with us to help them enter the diesel market. So we were in Missouri for a couple shows and we went and scheduled a tour of their factory. I gotta say, it is A1. A1, top notch, super impressed. One thing that's really awesome about Point One is they have a metallurgist in-house. That's a huge statement when it comes to working with metal and understanding metal, okay? They do all their cold forming, hot forming, all that good stuff in-house. I know that I'm not the guy that does it, so I can't remember all the details. It's been 4 months now, 3 months now. But anyways, we wanted to bring to your attention Point One Manufacturing, P1 Manufacturing head studs that are on our website, ready to ship. We have them in stock and ready to ship to you. We have 3 different levels. We have the S series, the H series, and the 625 series, okay? So the S series is your standard, everyday use, you know what, we're gonna call it sub 500 horsepower, 600 horsepower build. It's the way that I can explain that to you, okay? Anything over 600, we need to go to the H11s or the 625s. The way that we understand the metal and the way that we know that it's gonna hold, the H11s are gonna be good for a 600 to 1,000 horsepower build. That's the H11 series, okay? The 625s or anything after 1,000 is really where you need them. Or you can just say, you know what? I want to make sure I'm never going to have to touch it again. I'm going to go 625s. I know that in my shop, for 90% of what I work on, when it comes to customer trucks, I'm going to recommend the H11s because it gives you room for growth. That's really what happens. So what happens when you buy a diesel truck is you buy it, go on Facebook Marketplace, you search and you look at 75 trucks and you finally dial into the one. We all know what happens. You spend 6 weeks on your phone at night, laying in bed, drinking a beer, browsing Facebook Marketplace. It happens to all of us. Happened to me a lot. Anyways, you buy a truck, and you start to plan out the build. Well, you think, you know what, you start to put numbers together and you're like, okay, I've got a $10,000 budget for this or $20,000 budget, whatever that budget is, okay? And you're like, I'm never gonna go past 600 horsepower. I can promise you, that's never gonna happen. So I recommend stepping up to the H11s. That's what I recommend. Dagan, if you come on over, we'll show them quick. Some packaging. These are all the nuts, the washers, and the studs. Okay, they come with complete directions. They come with their own proprietary liquid, which is crucial for torquing your head studs. Number one most important factor about torquing the head studs is pay attention to the directions and how much to use there, okay? The really cool part about these, and this is something that I've been talking to customers at shows about, the number one thing I can say right there. I saw it with my own eyes. My team saw it with their eyes. These are made in America 100%. The metal comes from American forming places, okay? Comes in, it's all in wood crates, and then from there, these guys take it and turn it into studs, bolts, hardware, everything that you need to hold the power in your diesel performance engine. Give us a call today, 1-800-577-2698. Check them out on the website, blessperformance.com. And you know what? Thank you. Without you, we don't have the opportunity to do this stuff.